Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Mr. Technover. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra display test results have been leaked straight from Samsung's development labs. Specifically, both the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra are equipped with displays that can achieve higher peak brightness levels than before, 1750 nits to be precise, though the standard brightness level tops out at 1500 nits. This is still higher standard brightness level than any Galaxy smartphone display we have seen so far. Aside from reaching new peak brightness levels, the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra displays also appear to offer fantastic contrast ratios, as expected from AMOLED. In addition, they can cover 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, which should guarantee a fantastic multimedia viewing experience, especially when watching HDR content. The Galaxy S22 Plus has a 6.5-inch display, whereas the Galaxy S22 Ultra's panel measures 6.8 inches. Samsung should unveil both smartphones along with the standard Galaxy S22 variant next month, but exact release dates remain unclear due to the possibility of a delayed launch. As per previous exclusive report, the base Galaxy S22 model should be capable of topping 1300 nits of peak brightness, which means it's on par with the Galaxy S21. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's catch up soon. Till then, peace out.